Are you wasting time chasing leads that will never convert? I mean, imagine if you could leverage artificial intelligence tools to help you pinpoint your highest value prospects and focus only on opportunities that are going to give you the greatest chance for success. In this video, I'm going to share with you a few AI tools that are helpful to do just that, specifically ChatGPT. And I'm going to help you find and qualify leads so you'll never have to waste your time again on a lead that you have no business chasing in the first place. What's up, everybody? Ryan James Miller, and I am back with another video in this series, leveraging AI tools to help you open more doors and close more deals in sales. Today, we're going to dive into a critical topic, which is lead generation. It's something that we all need more of. We all need to get better at. And I want to show you how you can leverage AI to analyze that data, to prioritize that data, and ensure that every single effort you make counts towards you opening more doors, opportunities, and closing more deals, sales. So let's dig right in. Traditional lead generation creates a lot of challenges for us, because what I find with most sales professionals that I work with is they go to tools like ZoomInfo or maybe LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and they just download a bunch of leads, just a bunch of profiles, a bunch of organizations that maybe have some demographic alignment, size of the organization, revenue, maybe location. And those things are helpful places to start, but they are not going to help you pinpoint who you should actually be working with. On top of that, when we look to sources like some of those, not all of them, but some of them, we lose some of our capability to pinpoint specific data that is going to help us understand whether or not that prospect is actually aligned with our ICP, our ideal client profile, or maybe your client avatar, if you call it that way, or if that's what you call it. This, though, is where AI comes in and can completely change the game. So I mentioned tools like ZoomInfo. We actually use Apollo as well as Sales Navigator a lot to begin these efforts. But maybe you're not there yet. Maybe you're not, or your organization is not investing into those tools. So I just want to share with you how a very low-cost tool like ChatGPT can actually help you to analyze data, to prioritize leads based upon your specific ideal client and then the intent of those in the organization. What you want to be able to do is you want to be able to input specific data into ChatGPT and ask it for feedback based upon your ideal client profile. You want it to be able to rank who you should be pursuing more often, who you should be pursuing first. Maybe you've got a huge list of a couple hundred leads. Who do you go after first, and why should you go after them? So again, ZoomInfo, Apollo, which is our preference, those are absolute gems for us. We don't just use those for our business, but we use those for a lot of our clients' outreach efforts as well. But I want to walk you through just very quickly a simple workflow that I think can be really helpful for you leveraging ChatGPT in order to start refining the lead list that you're working with and prioritizing, as well as creating some action steps to start pursuing some of those. So one of the things I think you should do, if you're struggling with your ideal client profile, start by asking ChatGPT, what industries are most likely to benefit from my service? What industries are most likely to benefit from my product based upon, and then maybe you want to share in there some common challenges you see in your industry, the unique value proposition that your business provides, and let ChatGPT start to do its work. It's going to share with you some feedback based upon what it knows, and it's got an expansive knowledge base about the types of prospects you should be pursuing. So that will start to give you a clearer picture around where to focus your outreach on. Secondly, if you've got a lead list, and this is something that I've done at great lengths, and it's phenomenal. If you upload your entire lead list, either copy and pasted, or you upload via just an Excel spreadsheet, a Google Sheet, if you upload that into ChatGPT, and then you ask ChatGPT to prioritize that list based upon your ideal client profile, copying and pasting your ideal client profile in as well, and that includes demographic and psychographic information, you could then say to ChatGPT, based upon all of these leads Which 5, which 10, which 20, which 50 should I target first, and why? That is a key, is it's going to give you some reasoning as to why you should target certain leads over others as you begin your outreach process. A bonus step for you here, just very, very quickly, is you can then ask ChatGPT to create an outreach strategy tailored to your most high-valued prospects. Bonus, down in the show notes, in the link, you will find a link to our 21-day prospect pursuit. You can use that 21-day prospect pursuit. Some of our more involved and invested clients, they use our 1440. We don't give that one away, but the 21-day prospect pursuit is something that you can download. You can say, create an outreach strategy based upon this 21-day prospect pursuit, again, which you can also add. So as you can see, very simply, you can leverage ChatGPT to identify the types of leads that you should be prospecting, prioritize the leads that you are prospecting, and start to create some outreach efforts to help you pursue the right types of prospects with the right type of engagement. Look at you and I both, when we're selling, we need to focus on not just prospecting, but the right type of prospect. And we also need to waste as little time as possible, which was in our last video talking about productivity and how we can leverage ChatGPT for that. And we want a higher conversion rate, meaning we want to create the greatest likelihood for those opportunities to convert once we start to pursue them. This approach is going to begin to help you do that. And this is the foundation for much more to come. So if you are ready to stop wasting time on the wrong leads, my encouragement is to start leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT to refine your lead gen process. You can download that free resource, the 21-day prospecting pursuit. Also, don't forget to download the ideal sales calendar, which came from the last video, so you know how to set your weeks up to start prospecting in the first place. Thank you guys so much for checking out this most recent video in our AI sales series. Remember, lead gen is not just about volume, it's about quality. And next week, we're going to explore how AI can help you stay top of mind with prospects through smarter follow-up strategies. So we're going to expand on that follow-up strategy effort. For now, download the links down in the description, subscribe, let me know in the comments what your biggest challenge is when it comes to lead qualification, and let me see if I can help you with some simple tools and/or tips. Thank you guys so much. Chat soon.